people of every height, weight, color, nationality, gender, and religious belief. Welcome to Distracted by Diamonds, a place where you are always loved and accepted for exactly who you are. My name is Robin with a Y, and today we will be unboxing my long-awaited Drills and Chills diamond painting. Normally, when I do an unboxing, I kind of screw around a little bit. But since this is my very first custom diamond painting, and since it is highly important to a lot of what's going on right now, I thought I would take the time to do a proper unboxing. First, a little preface. I have been wanting to do a diamond painting since I discovered diamond painting, so I already had some images stashed away for such an occasion. And when Jessica reached out to me, it was almost too good to be true. However, I totally wasn't even surprised because Jessica is like my twin, only classier with a better vocabulary. I narrowed it down to two different images. One image is the image that's in this box. The other image was an image from an artist that I am so stoked about. I reached out to her and I asked her for permission to use her image, and I told her, about the event and everything that was going on, and it took a minute for her to get back to me. So I do have that painting coming in the mail, but that is a whole video in and of itself. If the speed at which this diamond painting arrived is any indication, I should have it by September 1st. Either way, I am still extremely excited about the image in this box. When I first decided to get this diamond painting, the first company that I reached out to was Evermoment. However, the more I thought about it, the more I thought I probably should get a round drill diamond painting so that I can finish it by the October 31st deadline. As you all know, Evermoment only does square diamond paintings. So I did reach out to a couple, but I finally decided on this company, and I'm going to show you why. I've been working on this diamond painting for, quite a while now. You've heard me talk about her. I've done videos about her. Here she is, Frenchie. I absolutely am in love with this diamond painting on just about every level. But the cincher for me is this shading right around her eyes. I can't get over how well that rendered out. Her rendering was such that I felt like it was really important for them to get a facial rendering correctly for the diamond painting that is in this box. So I reached out to Yogotop and asked them to do this diamond painting for me. Not only that, but the drills are amazing. The canvas is really good. Everything about this company is okay. Plus, the price is right. I ordered my painting on the 24th of July, and it reached me on the 18th of August. I think that's an amazing turnaround time. They had this thing boxed and sent in one day, and I paid $23.10, which I thought was extremely reasonable for a custom. Now, there are two diamond paintings in here. The other diamond painting is not relevant, so I may have to edit and finagle a little bit. But without further ado, this is an extremely heavy box, and it was a little crushed on the diagonal, as Rachel Ray would say. All in all, the package is very well wrapped. So here we go. Yeah, crushed on the DL. There is no foam roller. And unfortunately, we do have a little bit of crushage going on there on the canvas. There are two diamond paintings wrapped up in here. I'm going to have to unroll one to get to the other one. Give me 1 second. Okay, just to let you see it, this is the other diamond painting that I'm not going to be unveiling to you today. This diamond painting is absolutely frickin' fantastic. I can't wait to show you. Hopefully I'll be able to, and that's a story for another day. Now, I can already tell you, I'm a little sad at the canvas. It is basically crushed in the spot where the box was crushed. So luckily for me, this is not a big issue because I have some tips and tricks, and you all know that I love my heat press. I pretty much heat press every single diamond painting that I get anyway. And I've done this. It works fantastically. I never have an issue with the glue or the canvas after I'm done doing that. So I will be pressing this out. But as you can see, we do have some crushed spots. Basically, like I said, right where the box was crushed, right there. So without further ado, I guess we will go ahead and look at the canvas. Okay, I'm gonna have to move you because of the glare. But here is the rendering of my Halloween diamond painting. Let me show you the artwork. Okay, so I'm completely frustrated with the lighting situation in this house right now. And I just wasn't getting a good picture of the true rendering of this painting. So I hung it in the stinking window. How about that? Which gives you a much better idea of the shading, especially in her face, and how stinking cute this canvas really is. All right, so here's a little peek at the canvas. The symbols look pretty good. They could always be better, but I'm used to working with these same exact symbols because I'm used to working with Frenchie. She has 44 colors, and I mean, yeah, you know, not a lot of arrows. Oops, wait a minute, I lied. I don't like arrows. Arrows are the thing that get me really mostly. Let's take a look at the drills, shall we? One of the things that I couldn't wait to see is the colors of green that are gonna go into her face. And this is what I was waiting to see, because I feel like this lime green color, which I love, is going to make up the majority of the witch's mask. Love that. Let's see what other colors of green we have. Let's look at the facial colors here of maybe, I would assume this is the girl. Lots of, what's this, 310s, I would imagine. More green, more green. Oh, I am so excited, you guys, to see more green, how well this mask comes out. then I also wanted to show you, do you see there are little pinpricks of light? This is her hat. So her hat is blocking out part of the night sky. But there are a few little stars in the sky up here, and her hair is white too as well, obviously. So I went ahead and I ordered some 5200 ABs, and for all of the stars and maybe a few strands of the witch's hair, I'm going to use these ABs instead of regular white drills. So I'm excited to see how that comes out. 44 colors, I think I mentioned already. The symbols, again, I'm used to working with these, but I do know that they are a lot more difficult than they need to be. I'm just used to it, but it's certainly not a Diamond Art Club canvas, but we all knew that when we set out to open the box, didn't we? All right, so here she is. What do you guys think? Please leave me a comment below and let me know if all the hype was worth it. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see how her hands come out. I'm just really, really stoked to see how this turns out. Please leave me a comment below. I hope you guys have all ordered your diamond paintings and they're on the way. Drills and Chills is set to kick off on September 1st. If you receive your diamond painting after September 1st, please still feel free to join in. I mean, it's not going to affect the giveaways. It's not going to affect anything at all. Wait till you see Jessica's painting. It's even more fabulous than this. I can't wait for her unboxing. I'm so excited about that. Please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if this is something that you want to follow. Every single video that I post that has something to do with Drills and Chills, I will make sure to put hashtag Drills and Chills in the title so you don't miss anything at all. I will be talking about this painting some more in future videos. I'll let you know where it came from and the details of all of that. As always, remember kids, truth without tact is cruelty, and I will see all of you next time.